Okay, for those of you in honors pre-calc who missed today, I want to give you a brief summary of how to do what's called binomial expansion. So this is a binomial because it's got two terms, and expansion because we're going to put it to the fourth power, and that's going to give us 5 terms. So first off, we're going to get these lead coefficients, like the 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, those kind of the numbers that are in the front. We're going to get those from a chart that is called the Pascal's triangle. And I hope you're seeing patterns in here. There was one more item in each row. And to get this 2, for example, it came from the 1 plus the 1. To get this 3, for example, it came from the 1 plus the 2. And this 3 here, it came from the 1 plus the 2. This 6 here, it came from the 3 and the 3. And this 4 came from the 3 and the 1, etc. So if I have one that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, I'm going to use the 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So I'm going back here. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Next, to do a binomial expansion, you take this 6a and you put it to the fourth. So I'm going to write that right here, 6a to the fourth. All right, then I do the 6a to the third here, and 6a to the second, and 6a to the first. And then the last one would be just 6a to the 0 power, but that's the same as 1. All right, then the last piece, and I wish I could write even smaller to do this, but that's this -1 has to be put to every power also. So that's going to be -1 to the 0 power, -1 to the first power, and notice I'm rising now, -1 to the second power, and -1 to the first power, no wait, 0, 1, 2, sorry, third power, and then -1 to the fourth power. So just to clean up the final answer for this first term, it would be 6 to the fourth. That is such a big number, I wouldn't even expect you to have that one memorized. That's 36 times 36. And then that's got a negative here, but it's to the 0 power, so that means it won't be negative. And then it's a to the fourth. This term here, that will be 4 times 6 to the third. So 4 times 6 to the third. And then there is a negative because of this negative. And then there is a to the third. Whew. There's the first term, there's the second term. This is the third term, and then I'll just stop after this one. This one, the 6a is being squared, so that's 36 times 6. So I'm going to just call it 6 times 6 squared, just to show you where it came from. I know that's 6 to the third. And then it's an a squared. And why am I not using a negative? Because the -1 has been squared. All right, so there's the third. I think you get the idea. You could figure out the fourth and the fifth terms. This is the beginning of what's called a binomial expansion. And I'm going to teach you that again after break. So that was the main topic for today. I had to redo it because I made a mistake in the video originally. So at least the video is nice and short for you. All right, and I did not assign anything in my honors pre-calc classes as per the request of the principal. And so you just enjoy a nice break. Take care. Bye-bye.